Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Trends for your seasonal SEO content. Most of the time, when you are an SEO expert, then you don't have any idea how to generate SEO blog contents or others content. Then this video is perfect for you because if you are following this kind of information and this video, then you can expect a better result for your SEO contents. Okay, so let me guide you one by one how you can find out SEO blog post for your upcoming blogs by using Google Trends. Okay, so before I'm going to the topic, let me show you one of the website that is helping my web SEO, AI SEO, and others thing. Okay, so you can see here is the site. I already integrated my site here. Can you see that? My domain here, and you can see this tool is giving me the impression, clicks, and the analytics result. This is the definition of this tool, the first thing. And if I scroll down here, you can see top ranking pages. This tool is showing me which pages are working well. Can you see that? And how much impression and how much clicks I am getting, everything they are showing to me one by one. And you can see here is the page result and others thing. Okay, and if I scroll down here, you can see here is the recent blog post. They are creating blog post for me. They are creating blog titles, description, meta tag, headings, and others thing, so that it can be ranked on Google. Okay, and you can see here is the title of the blog post, and they are creating also images and everything. And you can see here is the action is right now open, and if I copy this full blog post, then I can use this to my other site. Okay, so I hope you understand. And if I scroll down here, you can see the optimize pages option. In the optimize pages, you can see how much impression and result I'm getting. I already showed. And you can see here is the focus keywords, which keywords are working for this page and which keywords are working for these pages and others. Okay, and they are giving me the action as well: improve SEO, optimize content, and I can also create blog post from here. Okay, so if you want to use this site, then here is the another option for AI recommendation. This tool will help you to give you the recommendation like on page SEO improved by from where to where, and they also give you the meta tag and also suggestion, priority, why it matters, and action, everything. And if you scroll down here, you can see here is the title, how much title you have already, and also how much title already approved, and meta description, heading text, and also the image title, internal linking, everything they will show you one by one. Okay, so I'm recommending you to use this tool for your website SEO because this tool has lots of information to do this. Okay, so if you don't have any time, then you can use this tool for your website. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now let me go back to the topic. Here is the website information. Okay, you can see, so our main topic is Google Trends for seasonal SEO content. So for this, you can see here is the month by month, and in the January option, you can search with seasonal keywords like weight loss tips, new year resolution. So if you want to go back to the Google Trends option, you can see Google Trends. Just go back to the Google Trends and click on here, and you can see here is the explore or trending topic. Okay, so if you want to explore something, like here is the option, you can see the waist loss tips. Just copy this and then search this about this, and you can see here are some of the search term already shown to you. You can see here is the lots of terms. Okay, here is the websites and also the others thing. So my topic is, let me show you just a moment. So I'm hitting enter. You can see here is the overtime result in the web topic and also others breakdown. Okay, so if you want to go back to the trending now option, then you can see here are the trends, how many trends already you have. Okay, but we don't have any trending topics, but we can only do the manual things. Okay, so here is the country option. Just select your country. So I will compare United States past 7 days, all categories, and the result will be web search and weight loss tips, and I will compare with this one with new year resolution. Just a moment, you can see. So here you can see the result of this. You can see here is the related queries, weight loss tips and others. So you need to focus on the related tips. Here is the related tips. You need to focus on this. Can you see that? Here is the related tips and how many clicks and other thing, and you can download it. You can see related queries already downloaded, and everything you can find out from the Excel sheet. You can see here is the Excel sheet information and other thing, and you can see how many information already given. Okay, so you can try one by one for everything. Let me show you. So here is the another thing for Valentine gifts. Suppose this is your topic for February, and romantic ideas and speaking and also the star topics and other thing. You can see you can try for April this one, you can try for May this one, you can try for June this one, and for the July this one, and also August this one, and September this one. So you can try one by one for this. So this is the best way to identify some of the contents, because when I'll try, you can see when I'll search with weight loss tips in Google, then you can see lots of queries will be in the first line. So if you want to do this for your website as well, then you need to add this keyword to your blog post and other thing. You can see no keywords are ranked. No keywords are ranked. Always the page ranked. You can see here is the page, and I already told you that always the page can be ranked. Keyword cannot be ranked. Keyword always help you to rank your pages. Okay, so anyone cannot see your keywords. Anyone can see your full blog post, but the keyword can be ranked your blog post. Okay, so I hope you understand. So you can use this information for your website. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel this video is very helpful, then please subscribe my channel.